ये जो बाल्टी है ना, this is India. All of its 1.3 billion people in here fighting the coronavirus through lockdowns 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then this row of containers is India's healthcare system, starting with this slightly bigger container right down to these katoris. So now, why do we have these containers of different sizes? Well, these represent the healthcare system of various Indian states. This bigger container here is Kerala, and these smaller katoris are states like Gujarat, Bengal and Bihar. So why is Kerala this slightly bigger container? Because Kerala contained the impact of corona brilliantly. Even as people got infected and entered the hospitals in Kerala, they were able to handle it. People kept getting cured and exited Kerala's healthcare system very neatly. Kerala has seen just 4 coronavirus deaths. The reasons are well known. Early acceptance of the pandemic, testing in large numbers, efficient contact tracing, efficient social distancing, efficient quarantining. All this made Kerala's healthcare system a big container. Now let's look at Gujarat, this katori. Why just a katori? Because this is the story of Gujarat. Its healthcare system, hospitals, administration completely overwhelmed by coronavirus. This overflowing water represents all the deaths that Gujarat has seen, over 700, second highest in the country, over 500 in Ahmedabad itself. Clearly, Ahmedabad's and Gujarat's healthcare system could not cope. They started testing too late, started contact tracing, social distancing, quarantining, all too late. By then the virus had spread. Today it has almost 12,000 positive cases as against just 600 in Kerala, almost all of whom have even recovered, while Gujarat is still struggling with 7,000 active cases. And mind you, both Kerala and Gujarat have people who travel abroad a lot. Both are densely populated, both have sizable urban centers too. Yet this is Kerala and this katori is Gujarat. Unfortunately, we do have more katori states. This is Bengal and this is Bihar. Bihar with around 10 corona deaths so far, and Bengal with 3,000 positive cases. May ask ke hum katori kyun? Simple answer, low testing. While the testing rate for corona in India is 1700 per million people, in Bengal it is below 900 and in Bihar below 400. What does that mean? It means we do not have the real picture in these states. If you don't test enough, you don't know who's positive. If you don't know who's positive, you don't know whom to quarantine. You can't do any proper contact tracing. So it's all Ram Bharose out there. Also, as migrant workers return to Bihar from high infection cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi, is Nitish Kumar testing enough of them? No. And another thought, could the low testing here be deliberate? Bihar has assembly elections in a few months, Bengal in a year. More corona cases, more deaths linked to corona would make Nitish and Mamta look bad. In fact, while it comes to low testing, UP at 700, Jharkhand at 875, MP at 1200, Chhattisgarh at 1100, these are all states below the national average. Even in terms of ICU beds, ventilators, critical care capacity, they are all below the national average. Essentially, katori states. Could that be why most of these katori states have not been wanting their migrant workers to return? See these videos. Thousands of migrant workers trying to register for Shramik trains in Ghaziabad. Workers protesting in Rajkot and Ahmedabad. Workers on the road showing their travel registration papers. But what's being done in 60 days of lockdown to get these workers home? Almost nothing. The Shramik trains that have just started, have taken 15 lakh workers home, says the government. But India has 6 crore migrant workers. 15 lakhs is just 2.5% of 6 crores. India has the capacity to run 13,000 trains a day, but we are running just a few. Clearly, most of these governments do not want these workers. They are afraid कि migrant workers लौटेंगे और फिर ये होगा. Their little containers, their katoris will overflow. It's clear, ये जो India है ना, यहाँ के netas and babus at the center and in most of our states, even after 60 days of lockdown, they know that their healthcare systems are just not ready.